We have a PS4 Pro here with a port connector. So let me look on this side here. Is let's just remove this one here. Okay, that's off. Let's look at this side. I don't know if it's just glue. Yeah, okay. There we go. Wow, this is what happens when people try to service the console themselves. Yeah, there we go. So, let's remove that. That's sorted. Now let's remove this hot glue here. Hopefully it just comes off. Can't find that blade. Okay, let's try with this. Yep, it's working. That's good enough. Lay some flux. Let's add some solder. So, which means we need to put some wire down here. So this is ground, so it doesn't matter there. Over here, it does. Okay, we're getting somewhere. They put some wire. Where are the wires that I use usually? There we go. Managed to find this. Let's get on to the second one. Okay, so almost there. Yeah. So where's the port now? Okay, so this guy here is going to come and sit on top. To start with, just need to add some solder here so that it stays in place. Okay, we need to move it a little bit to the right. I need to add more solder there to make it a little bit more stronger. Okay, so now all we just need to do is just solder the wire down there. Just hold it tight, it'll just pull the wire itself. That's one. You can see the second one is down here. Yeah, it's making a bridge there, it's not a problem. Just push it down. It's made contact already. Just push it down again. Boom. Second one, and the third one, it's moving to the to the left there. Let's put it back here. The fourth one actually, not even the third one. Okay, that made contact. Let's add more solder. That's perfect. Okay, we've got contact almost everywhere. Now we just need to have contact with the ground here. Okay, this barb is a little bit too much, but yeah, that's okay for now. Okay, now I'll fix that after. Here, we need to do this. Okay, it's looking better. Need to make this point a little stronger. Okay. This way, this bolt is not going anywhere. Touch it, it's really hard. So on this side it's perfect. So let's see how we're going to solve the other side. There's not much space there. Okay, let's find a better angle so you guys can see what's happening. Okay, let's do the same. You good? You good? So what now? Yeah. Please.
Anything keeps.
Yeah, anything. Anything. Actually? Okay. Okay, let's clean up. Huh? No, it's for pictures. Okay, now let's see if all the pins are making contact. So put the red to ground. Let's go over here. It's pin number 1. Yep, that's ground over there. It's normal. Yeah, we have contact. It's perfect. So you can mask it up if you want to, but you don't have to. As long as it's making contact, it's fine. Let's see. Come on, go in. Okay, let's see if we'll get power. Okay, yeah, we've got power. C'est bon. Okay, so I think that was a successful repair. So let's see it now here. Power is gonna work. Those power button. Okay, there we go. That's it now. See you guys on the next one. Hopefully they don't open it again. But yeah, let's drop down right there.